Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of entering credit card credits in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner or a bookkeeper, following these steps will help you keep your financial records accurate and up to date. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online. Go to quickbooks.intuit.com and enter your username and password carefully to make sure you can access your dashboard without errors. Once logged in, look at the top right corner and click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Credit Card Credit. This option begins the process of recording your credit. Now, you'll need to enter the payee. This is usually the supplier or vendor issuing the credit. Make sure you double-check the spelling and select the correct contact, because any mistake here could cause problems later in your records. Next, choose the bank or credit card account that this credit applies to. Use the drop-down menu to link it to the right account. This step ensures your credit is tracked properly in your financial system. Then enter the payment date. This detail is critical because it affects both your reporting and your cash flow. Select the date that reflects when the credit was actually received. After that, you'll need to categorize the transaction. Choose the correct expense category that best describes the nature of the credit, such as a refund, a return, or a discount. Proper categorization will help produce accurate and meaningful accounting reports later. Finally, review all of the details you've entered. Make sure the payee, account, date, and category are correct. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. This securely records the credit card credit in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully entered a credit card credit. With practice, these steps will become second nature, helping you maintain consistent and accurate bookkeeping, which is the foundation of every successful business.